just arrived, no, at past 2 p.m. here in Tubod, Lanao del Norte, home of sagingan. Nakalagay home of saging, nakalagay pala home of sagingan, no? Or parang banana plantation. Okay, so we have almost parang 10 hours of drive from Jensan. Now we arrive here in Tubod, Lanao del Norte. So what stood out dito sa ano to, sa Tubod, no, why ito yung destination namin, or way going to Dipolog rather than passing through Pagadian, because of yung Panggil Bridge, no? We'll be crossing the Panggil Bridge. This will be on this side, no, going there yung Panggil Bridge. Before kasi you cross Tubod going to Tangub via ferry, no? Right now wala na, meron ng ano to, bridge, and one of those early na mga commercial centers which opened here, no, in Tubod is yung Gaisano. Yan, let's see this one, and Gaisano, Tubod. Kino-construct pa yung bridge. I think this structure was already completed, no? So this is part of Lanao del Norte. What we did, no, from Cotabato City to Malabang, turn right, no? There's a place na mag-turn right ka, then Kapatagan, Baroy, no, Baroy, and this one, no, yung Tubod area. Ito yung rotonda nila in the making, no? This used to be medyo sleepy na town, but naging jackpot din, no? Swerte din yung place because of yung it disconnects yung Lanao del Norte sa Misamis on the other side. Mamaya makita natin yan. Focus lang tayo sa yung commercial area nila, no? This is a very good strategic na acquisition ng Gaisano. No, biggest na gain nila here is yung land appreciation, because this was Roland, before Roland. Ngayon very bustling na, no? After a year of opening up yung Panggil Bridge, medyo busy na, no? Ito na, marami ng this is the area, no? This is the area going to Tangub. We'll be crossing yung Panggil Bridge, no? Reportedly longest, no? If not one of the longest bridges in the Philippines right now. Galing talaga, real estate acquisition ng Gaisano. Easily times 10, no, yung appreciation ng property. Okay?